almost at the same grade as the water. No, I'm below grade actually where my tracks are at. It just sunk square. Yeah. Yeah, that's one of them days. Right now I'm actually holding my cab out of the water or the mud because there's down pressure on my boom. It's pretty deep. Deep, soupy stuff. I've never seen that kind of white stuff. I don't know what that layer of white clay stuff is. It's softer than jello though. Oh, and we got a gray clay underneath it. Here comes a bigger machine to get me out. Fuck. Getting all the trucks. Bring me some shot rock. That white layer, it's like viscosity of butter. The seashells. Holy shit. Wow. Guys are pretty awesome, man. Holy dude.